של בועז מזור אינו מרפה ממני. לא רק היעלמותו לעולמי עד, שהיא כשלעצמה שערורייתית ובלתי נתפסת, אלא קנה המידה שהמוות שלו מציב לי ולחיי. זה אינו קנה מידה דתי או מיסטי, אלא קיומי ויומיומי, מעין השוואה בלתי פוסקת בינו לביני, השוואה על כל צעד ושעל שאין ממנה מנוס, מעין דיבוק שאת מקורו צריך לברר, כאילו מותו הטמיע אותי בתוכו או אותו בתוכי, וכל ההבדל בינינו הוא שהוא מת ואני חי, וכאילו זה לא ממש הבדל, והוא לפעמים חי לגמרי בתוכי ואני מת לגמרי בתוכו, ועדיין אנחנו מתחרים מי מאיתנו ייקח ראשון ברצינות. It was such a natural process that I can't put a finger on a certain event that made me do it. I can tell you that I was invited to an artist colony on the border of Ireland, Northern Ireland, in the late 80s of the last century. And I thought, I'm invited for a year to this desolate place as a poet. What can I do there? I mean, a poet writes poetry and poems once in a while. I said to myself, maybe I write a novel in this year. I have a year ahead of me, maybe I write a novel. So I started to write a novel. I don't even remember what I wrote. But I thought that it doesn't function, I'm not happy with it. In these days, before I came to Ireland, I translated to Hebrew the famous novel and this mythological novel of J.P. Donleavy called The Ginger Man. I don't know if you are familiar with it. And I visited J.P. Donleavy in his remote farm in Ireland. And I came there and they asked me, what are you doing now in Ireland? And I said, I'm invited for a year to this artist colony. I'm trying to write a novel, but I'm a poet, it's the first time that I'm writing a novel. And I don't think that it goes well. I don't like it when I read it. He said, look, just maybe you'll take the thread, of the novel and find the poetry in it and take the poem out of it. I came back to this place, desolate place, and I really did what he told me. I found the thread of the poem, and I took the poem out of this novel. And in the end, I wrote a long poem in this year. And this long poem was the bridge to my becoming a prose writer. And but this book of long poems that I produced out of this year, this very miserable place in Northern Ireland, was the turning point between poetry and prose.